Yes, everyone, good morning. So, guys, hope it is loud and clear to all. If it is yes, then just let me know in the chat box and we can start with the class. Online students, guys, hope it is loud and clear. Just let me know. I can see some of you like Surya, Muskan, Ishwar, Tarun. All right. Okay, so guys, let's start today's class. And yesterday we have discussed about compound interest and the successive change, right? So this is the continuation of, this was the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Now in compound interest we have some schemes like where the interest is being compounded quarterly and interest is being compounded half yearly, right? So with this logic UPSC has asked one question. UPSC has asked one question in 2023 I suppose, right? So I'll tell you the question also. So guys, compounded half yearly and compounded quarterly, and like you might have seen the rate of interest is, let's say, 10% per annum. Hope you might have read this term, right? The rate of interest is 10% per annum. Have you read this, guys? Right? Rate of interest is 10% per annum, right? So when they are saying this per annum, so by default the meaning is compounded is being done annually, right? And once they say 10% per annum compounded half yearly, right, or 10% per annum compounded quarterly, right, then compounding is being done in each quarter or it will be like in each 6 months. Fine. So let me tell you guys, if compounded is being done half yearly, compounding is being done in half yearly, then what will happen is, see, let's say this is the period of 1 year, right? 1 year means what? 12 months. Everybody clear? So if let's say the principal is 100 rupees and rate of interest is 10% per annum, for example, right? So if you have deposited 100 rupees here, then this will become, the amount will become 110 after 1 year when compounding is being done per annum basis, right? Annually when it is compounding. Guys, it is clear? But when the compounding is being done half yearly, then you know what? Like we can divide this 12 months into 2 half years of 6 months each. Guys, getting it? Right? So the difference is the compounding will takes the shape like this. First compounding will be done here and then it will be done here. So if you have deposited 100 rupees here, then it will become 105 here. And then 105 will increase by 5%. What I want to say is, like for complete year, if the rate of interest is 10%, then for half year it will be treated as 5%. Guys, getting it? So for first half year, first 6 months, it will be 5%. The rate of interest would be 5% of this. So that will be 105 is the amount. After that, this value will be increased by 5%. Correct, guys? So if you increase this value by 5%, so 5% of this will be 5.25, right? So this will become 110.25, guys. Getting it, everyone? Right? Now, if the compounding is being done, let's say quarterly, then how many quarters do we have? 4 quarters, right? So 3 months, this is 1 quarter, this is again another quarter, this is 3rd quarter, and this is Q4, suppose that, right? So first compounding will be done here at the rate of 2.5%. Getting it, everyone? Then next compounding will be done here. Again 2.5% of this will be increased. Then 2.5% of this and then 2.5% of this. So you know what? Here you will get the least interest. Here more than this and here like most. So what I want to say is, जितना compounding आप बढ़ाते जाओगे, right? You will get the more interest. Everybody, it's clear, right? With increased number of compoundings, you will get the more interest on the same sum and with the same rate of interest also. Getting it, everyone? So now what we can conclude is, if it is compounding is being done half yearly, suppose that guys, right? So in case of half yearly compounding, the rate of interest gets half and time gets double. Guys, getting it or not? In case of half yearly compounding, the rate of interest gets half and time gets double. What I want to say is, suppose that like rate of interest is, principal is 100 rupees and rate of interest is, let's say, 10% per annum compounded half yearly, and let's say the time is 1 year. Fine. So this question will be treated as like rate of interest 5% and for 2 tenures. Getting it, everyone? So rate becomes half and time gets double. So in case of compounding half yearly, rate becomes half and time gets double. Correct, guys? Because in 1 year we have 2 halves. So that's why time gets double. Number of years get double. Right? And obviously rate gets half. Now guys, can you tell me what can be done in the case of quarterly compounding? Time gets what? 4 times and rate? 1/4. Everyone? If compounding is being done quarterly, then rate becomes 1/4 and time gets 4 times. Right? See, rate becomes 1/4 and time becomes 4 times. Guys, hope it is clear. Everybody? Right? All of you? Clear? Okay. Yes, please note it down. Right. Please note it down. No, see, compounding is more. Let me tell you. And with this logic, UPSC has one question also, right? So guys, we'll be discussing that question. मैं आता हूँ उसमें, हाँ. So everyone, it is clear. Shall we come to the questions based on it? Some examples. All of you? हाँ. Shall we come to the examples? ज्योति, आप आगे आ जाओ. मुझे लगता है आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. आप ऐसे ऐसे कर करके देख रहे हैं. Yes, everybody. Shali, what happened now? I that's why she came to you, huh? Okay. So, guys, shall we move now? Okay. चलिए, हो गया है ना ये, हटाया जाए इसको. ऑलराइट, ठीक है. ओके गाइस, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम क्वेश्चंस. मुझे बस इतना बताइए, दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट? बस आप इतना बताइए. आई डोंट वांट टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. यू जस्ट टेल मी दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट. यस, दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट? इट इज ओके. दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट? Okay. Okay. 1 by? इतना धीरे से बोला कि बोल भी दे और सुनाई भी ना पड़ेगा. Yes, everybody. See, guys. Here, the compounding is being done quarterly, right? So, in case of quarterly, rate of interest gets 1/4 and time gets 4 times, right? So this question is equivalent to find the rate of interest this at 5% per annum for 3 years. Everybody getting it? Right? Okay? Answer बात की बात है. पहले question, like understanding of the question is important. Could you comprehend the question in this manner, guys? Everyone fine now? Right? After that, now, obviously like we have the process, like अगर 5% होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? 1 by 20 करते हैं, right? 5% is what? 1 by 20. So this is 1 by 20. So this is 20 and this is 21. Guys, principal is 20, amount is 21. Since it is 3 years, the power 3, right? So 20 cube is 8,000, 21 cube is 9261, I told you yesterday. So effective principal that we have assumed is 8,000 and question is saying the principal is 16,000, right? And according to us, the interest, the CI is 1261. So each value is getting double, right? 16,000 is twice of this. So each value is getting double. So into 2 will be the final answer. So this is 2, 5, what, double 2. This is the answer, right? So this process we have solved yesterday, fine. So I'm not interested in telling this process today, right? I'm least bothered about this क्योंकि आपको पता है, आपको वो नहीं पता था. Guys, it is clear now. What is the problem? See, the thing is like 9 months means what? How many quarters will be there in 9 months? 3 quarters, right? So compounding will be done thrice at the rate of 5% per annum. Right? Why? Because for each quarter, if you talk about the rate of interest, for 12 months the rate of interest is 20. For 3 months it will be 5%. I mean 20 by 4. Right? Because in 1 year we have 4 quarters. So this will be divided by 4. Correct? Yes. Everybody clear now? Any doubt? ठीक है? Friends, any confusion? Any query? No? All right. चलिए. So, shall we move to the next question? You just have to tell me the meaning of the question, that's it. Right? बाकी solve हो जाएगा, it's not a problem. ठीक है? Just tell me the meaning of the question, guys. In this question also. What is this equivalent to? अभिषेक, आप बताइए, ये किसके इक्विवेलेंट लिखा हुआ है?
10%.
Very good. Guys, this is compounding half yearly, right? So rate of interest will get half and time will get double, right? So this is compounding like, this is 10% per annum for 3 years. Everybody clear? 10% per annum for 3 years. Everyone fine now? So this is 2 and this is into 2. This is into 2. हाँ? अच्छा. मुझे ये बताइए 10% का मतलब क्या होता है? 1 by 10. So this we have considered 10 and this will be 11. So this is principal and this is amount. Now question is talking about 3, right? So this is 3, huh? So power 3. So 1000 and this is what? 1331. So this is 331, right? Question is saying it is 8000. So this is 8 times of our value. So we have to multiply this with 8. Everybody clear? मुझे बताइए जरा 331 into 8 अगर आपको करना है, so this is 2400 plus 240 plus 8. What will be this? 2648, right? Okay. Guys, the answer is 2648. Fine. Huh? See, like 300 into 8 will be 2400, 30 into 8 will be 240, 1 into 8 will be 8, right? Correct? Okay. All right. So the answer is 2648. Everybody it is clear? Achha. Now one logical question that UPSC has asked from the same concept. Fine. You please note it down and then I'll show you the UPSC question. जल्दी आइए पांडे जी. क्या हो गया? क्या कह रहे हैं? चलिए बैठिए. Yes, so shall we move now, friends? Huh? एक काम करें, just take out your books, guys. I'll show you one UPSC question and what UPSC is actually interested in. ये भी आप देखिए जरा. Just come to page number 200, I think, huh? Yes, everyone, page number 201. Sorry, 202. All of you. Page number 202. Page number 202. Question number 33. This is CSAT 2023. Right? Abhishek, do you please share the book with Yes, all of you. Just look at the question. Right? Just look at the question. Okay? Everyone? Just look at the question, guys. Right? All of you? Akram, एक बार उनको भी book दिखा दीजिए थोड़ा सा. Right? Yes, all of you. Just look at the question. Friends, the question says what? The question says a principal P becomes Q in 1 year. A principal P becomes Q in 1 year when compounded half yearly with R% rate of interest. ठीक है? If the same principal becomes Q in 1 year when compounded annually with S% rate of interest, then the relationship between R and S. Right, everybody? So here, UPSC is not interested in any type of calculation. They just want to know, like, your basics are strong or not. You know the logic, like what is compounded half yearly and what is compounded quarterly, what is the difference, how much impact of it when it is being compounded half yearly with the same rate of interest. Right, everyone? मुझे एक बात बताइए, क्या लिखा हुआ है P? ठीक है, P. P becomes what? Q. At R% rate of interest. हाँ? If compounded half yearly, यही लिखा हुआ है ना? Right. Guys, मुझे PQR पता नहीं. Daily life में I don't talk in terms of PQR. I talk in terms of numbers. Right? You also talk in terms of numbers. Right? So just assume something, assume some convenient value for you. Right? So if I assume P as, let's say 100, right? So I have deposited 100 rupees in the bank at the rate of, let's say 20% per annum. Fine. At, let's say 20% per annum. And compounding is being done half yearly in the first case, right? So if compounding will be done half yearly, then think on it, guys. After 6 months, it will become 110, right? Because this will become 10% for 2 halves, right? So 100 will become 110. Now 10% of this will be increased. 10% of this will be increased. So 10% of this will be what, guys? 11. So this value will increase by 11. So this will become 121, right? 121. Everyone. So if this is Q, sorry, if this is P, this is Q, this is R, right? In the case 1, in case 1. Now case 2, the question is saying P again becomes Q with S% rate of interest when compounding is being done annually. Right? I repeat, P becomes Q, but this time compounding is being done annually, right? So guys, according to us, P was 100, Q was 121, so P becomes 121, but this time compounding is being done annually, right? And with S% rate of interest. मुझे ये बताइए, यहाँ पे rate of interest क्या होगा? 21% होगा कि नहीं होगा? क्योंकि 100 becomes 121, it means you are getting 21% interest on 100 rupees, right? So here the rate of interest is 21% per annum. Everybody, it is clear? So this is your R, this is your S. So what is the relationship between R and S? Right. Guys, it is clear? Simple thing, right? So UPSC is bothered only about the basics, only about the concepts, right? उनको आपकी कैलकुलेशन से कोई मतलब नहीं, कैलकुलेशन हो जाएगी वहाँ पे, राइट? आपको लॉजिक पता है, आपको उसके एप्लीकेशंस आप कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते हैं, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। एवरीबॉडी इट इज क्लियर नाउ, ठीक है? Guys, it is clear, right? Okay. ठीक है. So this was compounding quarterly and half yearly, and this was the case that UPSC has asked. And guys, 2023 is considered to be the toughest CSAT so far, right? 2023 is considered to be the toughest CSAT so far because वहाँ पे मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन ही नहीं थे. I mean मैथ्स नहीं था कहीं पे, सिर्फ लॉजिक, कॉन्सेप्ट्स, बेसिक्स बस, राइट? अब इस क्वेश्चन में कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं है, आपको लॉजिक पता है तो आप कर लो, समझ रहे हो? एल्स आप फिर सोचो ये RS, राइट? ओके, शैल वी मूव नाउ गाइस? हाँ, अच्छा ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके। All right. Pandey ji, like once you are done, please let us know. Huh?
Yes, sir. Okay.
हो गया? अच्छा ठीक है. After that, all of you, principal moves in GP. This I have told you yesterday also. In case of compound interest, principal moves in GP, and in case of simple interest, principal moves in AP, right? I repeat, in case of simple interest, principal moves in AP, and in case of compound interest, principal moves in GP. What is AP and what is GP, guys? देखिए, मैं एक बार फिर से क्लियर कर देता हूँ. In case of SI, everybody, if you have deposited 100 rupees, right? Let's say the principal is rupees 100 and the rate of interest is 10% per annum. Fine. So after 1 year it will become 110. After 2 years it will become 120. After 3 years it will become 130 and 140 and so on. So this is the case of, guys, simple interest, right? In simple interest, this is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a series where the difference, I repeat, the difference between two consecutive terms remains same throughout the series. I repeat, guys, the difference between two consecutive terms remains same throughout the series, right? So here that value is 10, right? Everywhere you will get the difference as 10 between two consecutive terms, right? So this is an arithmetic progression. Fine. This is the simple interest scheme. Now compound interest, guys, the basic difference between simple interest and compound interest is, in simple interest the principal is fixed for entire tenure, right? But for compound interest the principal is not fixed, because here the principal will be 100 and it will become 110. Now this will be treated as principal and this will be increased 10%, right? So this will become 121. Now this will be treated as principal and this will become 133.1. Everybody it is clear, right? So guys, this is GP. GP means geometric progression, where the ratio between two consecutive terms remains same throughout the series. I repeat, ratio between any two consecutive terms remains same throughout the series. Here that ratio is 10:11. This is 10:11. This is again 10:11. This is again 10:11, and throughout the series it will be 10:11 only. Guys, it is clear, right? All of you fine now? Okay. And friends, एक बार देखिए जरा. Suppose that some principal becomes twice. I mean, कोई भी रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होगा, उस पर मान लीजिए कि आपको कंपाउंडिंग में एक अमाउंट आपने, मतलब एक सम आपने फिक्स किया बैंक में, वो कुछ दिन के बाद, लेट्स से 5 इयर्स के बाद वो डबल हो गया, ठीक है? अब मैं कह रहा हूं कि सेम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट से वो कितने दिन में अपना 16 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, राइट? द क्वेश्चन इज, प्रिंसिपल गेट्स डबल इन 5 इयर्स, राइट? स्कीम CI का है. सो विथ सेम ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ये 16 टाइम्स कितने दिन में हो जाएगा? right? In how many years it will become 16 times of itself? Guys, it is clear? So देखिए जरा, P becomes 2P in how many years? 5 years, right? Then in next 5 years, guys, this is GP actually. So if it is 10:11 here, then here also it will be 10:11. So if here it is 1:2, then again in next 5 years it will be 1:2. So what should I write here? 4P. राइट मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर 5 साल में ये डबल हुआ है तो अगले 5 साल में फिर ये भी डबल हो जाएगा. समझ पा रहे हैं? Everybody clear? So in next 5 years, again in next 5 years, this 4 become what? 8. And in next 5 years, this 8 will become what? 60. Right? So guys, what is the answer? What is the answer? 20 years. Guys, getting it? Everyone fine now? So this is something when we say principal moves in geometric progression in compound interest. It's clear, everyone? Right? Fine. Any doubt? Any confusion to anyone? No? Please note it down here. Okay. Friends, clear now? Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Anyone in the class? Yes. चलिए. So let's move to the next question, friends. I mean, the first example of it. मुझे आप इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़ के इसका आंसर बता दीजिए. Guys, can you tell me the answer just by looking at the question? Tell me the answer, guys, quick. Quick. हाँ. 45, yes. 15 is the answer. Right? 15 plus 15 plus 15 is the answer. Look at it. Yep. All of you? P becomes 2P in what time? 15 years. So in next 15 years it will become 4P, and in next 15 years it will become 8P. Correct, guys? So 15. So the answer is 45 years. Everyone fine now? That's it, right? Okay. Any confusion, everyone? No? Right? Simple? Actually very simple question, right? Guys, clear? Okay. Okay. So the next question is, guys, just tell me the logic for this question first. पहले मुझे लॉजिक बताइए. आपको मुझे आंसर नहीं जानना है आपसे. मुझे ये बताइए कि इसको करेंगे कैसे. कैन यू टेल मी एन अप्रोच, कैन यू सजेस्ट एन अप्रोच फॉर दीस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. आई डोंट वांट द आंसर, आई जस्ट वांट द अप्रोच. कैसे किया जाए ये बताइए. एनी वन ऑफ यू, एनी सजेशन. हाँ, आयन.
Sir, if I find the compound interest for the first 3 years,
हाँ,
then the answer after that तो मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा.
पहले ये बताइए इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है. पहले मुझे इतना बता दीजिए. हाँ, बताइए. एनी वन ऑफ यू. मुझे इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब समझाइए. Who will explain me the question and the way we are conversating? मुझे ऐसे ही बताइएगा. मुझे मैथ्स के टर्म में मत बताइएगा.
कोई अमाउंट है,
हाँ,
वो आफ्टर 3 years 6,690 हो जाता है.
ठीक है.
एंड आफ्टर 6 years 10,035 हो जाता है.
यस, ठीक है.
ओरिजिनल क्या है, मतलब
Original.
अमाउंट कितना है.
वेरी गुड. मतलब प्रिंसिपल क्या है. प्रिंसिपल क्या है, राइट? कैसे किया जाएगा, ये बहुत अच्छी बात बोली है इन्होंने। देखिए इन्होंने ये कहा कि सर एक प्रिंसिपल है जो 3 साल में कितना हो रहा है 6690, आफ्टर 3 years it will become this, and after after another 3 years it become 10035, right? A principal becomes this much in 3 years, after another 3 years this becomes this, right? So question is, what is the principal? So everyone, you just tell me the approach for this. ठीक है, you have comprehended this very well. अब मुझे ये बताइए कि इसको करेंगे कैसे? आप क्या जानते हैं कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट के बारे में?
इसके बीच में जो बी और सी है, मतलब इनके बीच का जो गैप आएगा, जो भी डिफरेंस आएगा, सब वो रेशियो में रहेगा, उसके प्रोपोर्शनल रेशियो में।
थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा है, आप सही जा रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा है।
जैसे पी और क्यू, मतलब
हाँ
पी और क्यू के बीच का जो भी डिफरेंस है।
देखिए एवरीवन, इन कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, राइट, ये कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट की बात हो रही है ना, ठीक? इन कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट प्रिंसिपल मूव्स इन व्हाट? जीपी, ठीक? तो एक्चुअली ये एक जीपी फॉर्म कर रहा है, राइट? इट मस्ट बी फॉर्मिंग अ जीपी हियर, एंड व्हाट इज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ जीपी हियर? द रेशियो बिटवीन एनी टू कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स रिमेन्स सेम। सो इसके बीच में जो भी रेशियो है वो निकाल लिया जाए, वही रेशियो इसके और इसके बीच में भी मेंटेन होगा। Guys, yes or no? You just have to find the ratio between these two terms, and the same ratio will be maintained here also, right? And ये वैल्यू मैं आपको देख के बता सकता हूँ। ये 66 है ना, तो इसको 33 कर दीजिए पहले तो। I mean 33 45, क्योंकि 33 into 3, एक बार देख लीजिए जरा, 33 45 into 2 कितना होता है? 6690, हाँ? And 33 into 3345 into 3. देखिए 33 into 3 is 9900 and 45 into 3 is 135. So 9900 plus 135 is, yeah, ठीक. So guys, what is the ratio? Everyone, what is the ratio? The ratio is 2:3. Yes or no? Why? Because this into 2 and this into 3. Everyone, yes or no? Right? So the same ratio will be maintained here also. So it should be 2:3. Whose thrice is this, guys? बताइए जरा। अरे वैल्यू बताओ, ये किसका 3 गुना लिखा हुआ है? प्रिंसिपल्स। वेरी गुड, 2230. So if this is 2230 into 3, this must be 2230 into 2. So this is 4460. Guys, देखिए जरा, मैं यही कहता हूं कि कैलकुलेशन में यू आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट? मैथ्स आपको आती है, क्या नहीं आता आपको? आपको लॉजिक नहीं आता, राइट? यू नो द मैथ्स पार्ट। आप कैलकुलेशन आप मुझसे तेज कर रहे हैं फटाफट फटाफट, राइट? तो मैथ्स आती है आपको लॉजिक्स नहीं आते। सो गाइस, व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल? द प्रिंसिपल इज 4460. Okay, everybody, clear? The principle is 4460. So the only part is कि the ratio जो है, I mean GP बनानी है तो रेशियो को आपको सेम करना पड़ेगा, that's it. और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट है तो जीपी तो बनेगी, ठीक है? करेक्ट? Yes, those who are sitting online, मुस्कान चौधरी, प्रत्युषा, मोहम्मद समीर, Surya, Arun IPS. Oh, Arun IPS is also attending the classes. Yes. So everybody, it is fine now. Any doubt, guys? Abhishek, it's clear. Yep. All of you? Yep. Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query, please let me know. Anyone in the class? Right? Okay. That's great. That's great, everyone. Yes. ठीक है. Yes, guys. Shall we move now? Just try to understand the things. Right, everyone? Yes, friends, shall we move? Okay. मैं हटाऊं से? हाँ, आदित्य आपका हो गया? हटा दूं? Okay. Now guys, after that, percentage compensation. Now this is the actual percentage. Fine. The actual questions of percentage we are like coming from now. I mean coming now onwards. Percentage compensation, right? As the name suggests, compensation, guys. Right? Percentage compensation. So as the name suggests, it is compensation. So guys, you know what? Like suppose that the price of sugar, let's say, right? I have given you 100 rupees, suppose that. And I asked you, please go to the market and get the sugar for rupees 100. Okay? You just went to the market and you got the sugar for rupees 100 and handed it over to me. Handed over to me. Huh? And next day, suppose that the price of sugar got increased, let's say by 20%. Huh? Next day, again, I have given you 100 rupees and I said, please go to the market and get the sugar for rupees 100. Fine. So next day, again, you will go to the market and you will get the sugar for rupees 100. Guys, next day, what the sugar you are getting for the same amount will be less than the quantity that you have got yesterday. Correct? Why? Because the price is increased. Okay? So, how much less you are getting, right? Due to the due to the increment of the price, right? Or if price reduced, suppose that, then how much extra are you getting for the same sum, right? So these things we are going to calculate in this topic. Guys, it is clear? As the name suggests, it's compensation. How much it is compensating the quantity, right? The fluctuation in the price. Clear now, friends? Huh? Okay. Now, just read this question, guys. Don't solve it. Just read. Right? Question is saying, if the price of sugar is increased by 25%, by how much percentage should a family reduce its consumption to maintain the same expenditure? Right? So, let me tell you, आप इन क्वेश्चंस को जल्दी कैसे करेंगे ये समझ लीजिए. If you increase 100 by 25%, it will become 125. Now the question is 125 should be reduced by what percentage to make it 100 again? Right? 125 should be reduced by what percentage to make it 100 again? So 125 is reduced by 25. Now we have to calculate 25 is what percentage of 125 guys? Right? So this is 1/5. 20%, yeah. So 25 is what percentage of 125? So this is 1/5. 1/5 means 20%. Huh? Guys, it is clear. So the answer is the family should reduce the consumption by 20% to maintain the same expenditure. And everybody, इधर देखिए जरा एक बार. अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन को आपको लग रहा है कि यार हमें अभी ये फील नहीं हो रहा है कि ये कैसे होगा, ये तो लग रहा है कि बिल्कुल रटने वाली अप्रोच हो गई, ठीक? तो आप एक बार इसको देख लीजिए, ठीक है? लेट्स से कि द प्राइस ऑफ शुगर इज 10 rupees per kg, suppose that, huh? And your monthly consumption is, let's say, 10 kg. So your expenditure over sugar will be what? 100 rupees per month. Guys, this is for 1 month. Let's say the price is 10 rupees per kg. Your consumption is 10 kg for entire month. So your consumption over sugar will be 100 rupees. Correct? Now this is first scenario. Before increment. Right? Now when the price increases, the second case, price became what, guys? 12.5, because it was increased by 25%. So the price became 12.5 rupees per kg. But you don't want to increase your budget because your salary is fixed. right? You don't want to increase your budget. So your expenditure, you want it to be 100 again. Fine. So for this much amount, how much sugar you are going to get now? So this divided by this, right? Okay. So 100 by 12.5, everyone, 1 by 8 is 12.5, right? So, 100 by 12.5 will be 8. So now you will get 8 kg sugar for the same amount. Guys, it is clear. Now, the question is, it is the reduction of what percentage? मुझे ये बताइए, your consumption reduced by 2 kg with respect to 10 kg. कितना percent है ये? 20%, right? So now your consumption is reduced by 20%. If you don't want to change your budget over sugar, then you have to reduce your consumption now. Yes, Vishal, आप
एक्चुअल फाइनल से भी कर सकते हैं।
ये आपको सीधे करना है ऐसे ही एग्जाम में, इस तरह से नहीं करना है, राइट? ये सिर्फ देखने के लिए कि आपको समझ आए कि ये हो क्या रहा है।
नहीं सर, वो फ्रैक्शन लेके एक्चुअल फाइनल लेके जैसे 25 to 1/4
कर सकते हो, बट ये ज़्यादा सिंपल है, मैं बता रहा हूँ। आप अभी बहुत तेजी से करोगे इसको, अभी करोगे उसको, राइट? यस एवरीवन, सी गाइस, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, चले हम लोग, हाँ? और आपको एक बात और बताऊं, एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, इसको समझिए जरा एवरीवन, इधर देखिए प्लीज। ये 25% क्या होता है और ये कितना होता है? 1/5. So if it is increased by 1/4, it will be reduced by 1/5 to maintain the same value, right? If it is increased by 1/n, it will be reduced by 1/n plus 1. Right? ये होगा ही होगा, सोच के देखिए इस बात को। Yes. 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 Everything is interconnected here, right? Guys, shall we move now? Huh? Everyone done? Okay. So let's talk about the next question, everybody. देखिए सर, the question is saying, ऐसे पहले मुझे आंसर बताइए, guys. Tell me the answer quick. हाँ? Yes, 33 1/3 और 33.33. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही है। वैशाली, what happened? देखिए, 100 becomes 150. So this is reduced by 50. 50 is what percentage of this? This is 1/3, right? So 50 by 150 into 100. 1/3 means 33.33%. आप ऐसे ही लिख दो, और 33 1/3%. Guys, getting it? Right? Everybody clear? So just by looking at the question, you can tell the answer, right? This is not the problem. Okay? ज्योति, अभी क्लियर है? Good. All right. Now, shall we move everybody? Okay. देखिए, guys, the next question. 1/6 is what? 16. 2/3. Right? All of you. In the new budget, the price of kerosene, right? अब पेट्रोल बढ़ता है, right? ये पुराने जमाने का क्वेश्चन है. Okay. So in the new budget, the price of kerosene rose by 20%. So guys, 100 must become 120, right? If it is increased by 20%. So now question is saying 120 should be reduced by what to make it 100 again, right? So guys, this is 1/5 is increment, so 1/6 will be decrement, right? So 1/6 will be 16 2/3%. Everyone okay? This is 16 2/3%. Huh? Everyone clear now? ठीक है? Okay. Shall we move? Right? After that, everyone, इसको बताएंगे जरा आप, बता पाएंगे? आप फ्रैक्शन में ही बोल दीजिए. Yes. You just tell me the answer in the fractions only. Right? What is the answer? हाँ? फ्रैक्शन में क्या आएगा? हाँ? फ्रैक्शन में क्या आएगा? अरे फ्रैक्शन में क्या होगा? पहले तो फ्रैक्शन ही क्लिक करेगा ना आपको. हाँ. 1/11 होगा ना यार. 1/11 ऐसे बोलो ना. अरे देखिए क्या कह रहे थे. सैलरी ऑफ ए is 10% more than the salary of B. Guys, so assume the salary of B is 100, right? So salary of A is 10% more than this will be 110. Correct? Now the question is B's salary is how much percentage less than that of A? See guys, this is 10 less than this. Question is B's salary, I mean this value is what percentage less than this value? I mean what should be subtracted from this value to get this value, right? So this is 10 and 10 is what percentage of this? This is 1/11. I mean if it is increasing by 1/10, so obviously 1/10 will be decreased to maintain the same value, right? So guys, this is 1/11 and 1/11 in terms of percentage is what? 9, 1/11%. This is the answer. Okay? All of you, it is clear, right? Fractional values में you guys have to be comfortable, right? Otherwise आपकी calculation slow हो जाएगी वहाँ पे. ठीक है? Guys, it is clear now. And let me tell you friends, these type of questions, I mean UPSC ने अभी पूछना शुरू किए हैं और आप एक क्वेश्चन देखिए जरा और देखते ही इसका आंसर बता सकते हैं मुझे. Guys, take out the book, page number 199. Page number 199, question number 2. Can you tell me the answer just by looking at the question? Everyone, can you tell me the answer just by looking at the question? देखिए, when there is an 5 option A, B, C, D बोलिए जरा. Vimy, what's your answer? Finding the question. अच्छा ठीक है. ठीक है. Vishali, what's the answer? Guys, what happened? 8 होगा. 20% घटेगा. Yes. If it is increasing by 25%, then a reduction of 20% will compensate it. आप समझ? Yes, the first question that we have discussed, right? If it is increasing by 25%, then the reduction of 20% will compensate this. ठीक? So 10 is decreased by 20%, it will become 8. Guys, yes or no? Right? Okay? All right. ठीक है? Clear? ठीक है? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. इसको पढ़िए जरा guys. और इसको करेंगे नहीं, ठीक है? Just enjoy the story of the question. Right? Yes. करना नहीं है आपको. पढ़िए, सोचिए, समझिए कि संतरे खरीदने गया वो, right? Yes, all of you. See guys, who will explain me the question? Any one of you. Anyone can volunteer. Who will explain me the question? ज्योति, आप एक्सप्लेन करेंगे? क्यों? तबीयत खराब है. अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. तो फिर आप बैठिए आराम से. Yes, who will explain the question? Vimy, will you explain the question? No? अच्छा ठीक है. No, don't read that. Who will explain it? Okay, पांडे जी आप. जी.
पर्सन थे.
ठीक है.
वो सब मार्केट में संतरे खरीदने गए.
ठीक।
जब सर संतरों का दाम 20% रिड्यूस हो गया था तो उनको 5 एक्स्ट्रा संतरे मिलके उसी बजट में 100 रुपए की।
ठीक।
तो सर हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि पहले मतलब ये रिडक्शन होने के पहले संतरों का प्राइस क्या था।
ठीक है। सी गाइस, हुआ ये है कि एक बंदा है, वो 100 रुपए लेके मार्केट गया, ठीक, और वो जितने ऑरेंजेस एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि मुझे 100 रुपीज़ के मिलेंगे, उससे 5 ऑरेंजेस ज़्यादा उसको मिल गया। उसका रीज़न ये था कि उसको ये बात पता नहीं थी कि प्राइस रिड्यूस हो चुका है। ठीक, गेटिंग इट एवरीवन? तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि ओरिजिनली ऑरेंज का प्राइस पर ऑरेंज क्या था एंड आफ्टर रिडक्शन पर ऑरेंज क्या था। गेटिंग इट एवरीवन? नाउ गाइस, डोंट सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट? मुझे एक बात बताइए, इफ यू वेंट टू द मार्केट by like just having 100 rupees in your pocket to buy the oranges for those 100 rupees, correct? And now the price is 20% down, which means the quantity of oranges that was available for rupees 100 earlier is now available for rupees 80. Guys, yes or no? Right? But if still you are paying rupees 100, which means you are paying 20 rupees more, right? And for that 20 rupees more, how much, I mean, how many oranges extra you are getting? For 20 rupees more, you are getting 5 more oranges. So guys, today's price is 5 oranges are available for rupees 20. Then 1 orange is for 4. So reduced price is 4 rupees per orange. Guys, it is clear, right? And you just tell me, if the price is reduced by 20%, which means today's price is 80% with respect to the original price, right? So if 80% of the original price is 4 rupees, then 100% of the original price will be what? This is the question, guys, right? And now please everyone, just try to maintain the ratio. Here it is 4:5, yes or no? 80 and 100 के बीच में if you find the ratio, this will be 4:5, right? So 4:5 will be maintained here also. I mean vertically, fine. And if you try to maintain the horizontal relationship, so this is 1/20 of this. So similarly 1/20 of this, fine. तो इसमें जो रिलेशन हॉरिजॉन्टली आप देख रहे हैं वो इसमें भी दिखेगा आपको, और जो रिलेशन आप वर्टिकली देख रहे हैं वो इसमें भी दिखेगा, right? So guys, it is clear. This question is clear. So reduced price is 4 rupees per orange and original price is 5 rupees per orange. Everybody is clear, right? Now please write down this in your own language. आपको जैसे समझ में आ रहा है आप वैसे लिख लीजिए, ठीक है? लेकिन आप इसको अपने वर्ड्स में लिखिए प्लीज, ठीक है? लिखिए जैसे भी लिखना है। सोल्यूशन फिर से बता दूं। देखिए क्या है कि जब वो 100 रुपये लेके मार्केट गया तो उसने जितना एक्सपेक्ट किया था उससे मिला उसको 5 ज़्यादा। क्यों मिला? क्योंकि आज का जो प्राइस है वो 20% रिड्यूस हो चुका है। तो 20% रिडक्शन का मतलब ये है कि 100 रुपये का जितना सामान पहले मिल रहा था आज वो 80 रुपीज़ में अवेलेबल है, राइट? लेकिन आज भी अगर आप 100 रुपये दे रहे हैं वेंडर को तो इसका मतलब आप 20 रुपीज़ मोर पे कर रहे हैं, 20 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा पे कर रहे हैं, एंड फॉर दैट 20 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा यू आर गेटिंग 5 ऑरेंजेस एक्स्ट्रा। सो आज का जो प्राइस हुआ वो क्या हुआ? 4 रुपीज़ पर ऑरेंज हुआ। एंड आज का जो प्राइस है वो ओरिजिनल प्राइस के रिस्पेक्ट में 80% है, क्योंकि 20% का डिक्रीमेंट है प्राइस में। हाँ, 80% of the original price is equal to 4 rupees. Then 100% of the original price will be what? What happened? Huh?
Why are we taking that 80%?
Huh?
Why are we taking that 80%?
अगर कोई वैल्यू अपना 20% डिक्रीज करेगा तो कितना हो जाएगा?
80%।
वैशाली, अगर कोई वैल्यू 20% डिक्रीज करेगा तो कितना हो जाएगा? 80% हो जाएगा ना? नहीं हो जाएगा?
That I got.
हाँ? What?
Clarity।
कह रहे सर आप रहने दीजिए, आप नहीं समझा पाएंगे हमको। वैशाली कह रहे रहने दीजिए। यस गाइस, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? ठीक है यार, ये तो कॉमन सेंस है ना यार। एनीवेज, मुझे बताइए गाइस, एनी डाउट, एनी कंफ्यूजन? हाँ, right? Okay. All right. Okay, Ishwar is saying, sir, it is clear. Okay, that's great. Vishal, it's clear to you as well? Huh? Okay, कह रही सर आप आगे बढ़ो, देखा जाएगा जो होगा. Yes. So guys, now let's come to this next question, and the next question is very much similar to this. हाँ, पहले आप मुझे बताएंगे कैसे करना है. All of you, put down your pens. अच्छा, लिख रहे हैं इसको. इसमें लिख रहे हैं कुछ. लिखिए, अच्छा लिखिए, लिखिए. हो गया? All right. Now, friends, इसको रुक जाइए. अच्छा, इसको रुक जाइए. इसको बताइए. इसको बताइए guys. Quick. पहले don't write anything. No one, please. Don't put your pen. I mean, don't take your pen. No. Just tell me the answer first.
So 5 is equal to
5 rupees.
5 rupees per kg, sir.
5 is what? Reduced price is 5 rupees per kg. Yes, it is correct. एक बार देखिए जरा. Guys, yes or no? ठीक, देखिए क्या हुआ है, आप सोच के देखिए. If 20% is the reduction with respect to 100, it means there is a reduction of 20 rupees, right? And still you are paying rupees 100, it means you are paying 20 rupees extra today. And for that 20 rupees extra today, you are getting 4 kgs extra. So today's price is 4 kg available for rupees 20. So 1 kg is available for rupees 5, right? So reduced price, I mean ये reduced situation है guys, huh? So reduced. So sorry, it is C. So reduced price is 5 rupees per kg. Now guys, reduced price is actually 80% of the original one. So 80% of the original is 5. Guys, it is 1 by 16. So 100 by 16 is what? 6.25. बताया था मैंने आपको. 100 by 8 is 12.5. So 100 by 16 is 6.25. So this is the original price and this is the reduced price. Guys, it is clear? Okay. Right? All right. And guys, those who are watching this lecture for the very first time, please watch all the classes of percentage. Right? You will get the shortcuts that I'm using here. Fine? Okay. Yes, guys, it is clear? All of you? Is it clear? Huh? All right. Friends, any doubt?
सर इसमें अपन वर्टिकल रेशियो लेंगे तो सर
वर्टिकल लेंगे तो ये 4:5 होगा, राइट?
Yes.
तो ये 1.25 into 4 है, तो 1.25 into 5 हो जाएगा, राइट? वो तो देखो यार, वो तो मैथ्स है, वो तो मशीन है, वो नहीं जानती कुछ, वो फॉलो होगा ही होगा, ठीक है? मतलब मैथ्स क्या है? मैथ्स तो एक मशीन हो गया ना बेसिकली.
तो वो 6.25 कैसे आया था? 6.25.
See, this relationship I just try to maintain. Fine. ये 1 by 16 होता है. 16 into 5 is 100. Sorry, 16 into 5 is 80. I'm sorry. So this is 1 by 16 of this. So it should be 1 by 16 of this. Right? Right?
16 into 6.25.
16 into 6.25 is 100. Yeah. Yes, everybody it is clear now. Huh? Guys, any other doubt? Akram, what? You want to say something? No? Okay. चलिए. After that, guys, a question that we have left. मुझे बताइए जरा इसका आंसर क्या होगा? इसमें वो सिर्फ पूछ रहे हैं find out the reduced price per kg, right? The final question, huh? Uh-huh. Don't use the pen, guys. No. No. Take your time, no problem. Take your time. Yep. Let me know. Yes, guys. हाँ, yes, 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 correct, correct, correct. हाँ हाँ ठीक है, आगे बोलिए. What is the final answer? 21, yes. See, all of you, मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. इसको क्वेश्चन को ना जब आप पढ़ा करें ना, देखिए, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या हुआ था मुझे ये बताइए. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में, like with this question, मुझे ये बताइए, if still he is paying rupees 100, how much extra he is paying in this question? If still he is paying rupees 100, how much extra he is paying? 20 rupees. इसको देखा करिए और इसको देखा करिए. इसका 20% 20 हुआ ना, so the same quantity would be available for 20 rupees lesser, right? And still he is paying rupees 100, he is paying 20 rupees more, right? Now you just look at this and just look at this. 21% का reduction हुआ है. So it means 21% of 300 would be 63 rupees. So if still today he is paying 300 rupees, he is paying 63 rupees more. Right? And for that 63 rupees more, he is getting what? 3 kg. So it means today's price is 63 divided by 3, that is 21 rupees per kg. That's it. Yes, everybody. Guys, it is clear? So reduced price is rupees 21 per kg. ये इससे simple question हो ही नहीं सकता guys. Right? हो ही नहीं सकता. मतलब इससे simple क्या करेंगे वो? क्या करेंगे? ज्योति आप बताइए, क्या करेंगे इससे simple? कुछ नहीं कर सकते, right? Okay. All right. Shall we move now, guys? अच्छा. क्वेश्चन नोट करेंगे. अच्छा, नोट कर लीजिए. वैसे क्वेश्चन बुक में लिखे हुए हैं, लेकिन ठीक है, आपके अपने जज्बात हैं. यस, हो गया. ऑलराइट, ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट एवरीवन, मुझे ये बताइए जरा, ये टर्न इसको देखें जरा प्लीज. इसको करेंगे नहीं, ठीक है. मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूं. फाइनल क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट पहले पढ़ लीजिए, क्या लिखा हुआ है. व्हाट इज रिटन? Find the original price per dozen and reduced price per dozen. So question is talking about per dozen, right? So whatever is given to you, convert it into dozen. क्या दिया हुआ? 48 का मतलब 4 dozen. So all of you, today he is getting 4 dozens extra for, देखिए, this is 300 and 40% reduction. If still he is paying rupees 300, how much extra he is giving? 40% of 300. What is that? 120 rupees. 40 into 30, right, by 100. So it means today he is paying rupees 120 extra, and for that 120 extra he is getting 4 dozen. This is the reduced situation, guys. Or you can say the current situation, right? So it means the reduced price is what, friends? Rupees 30 per dozen, right? अच्छा, अब मुझे एक बात बताइए, आज का जो प्राइस है, it is 60% of the original price, right? So 60% of the original is 30, then 100% of the original is what? Guys, this is half of this. So half of this would be what? 50 rupees, yes. So originally 1 dozen egg was available for rupees 50, and now 1 dozen egg is available for rupees 30, right? Please note it down. Yeah. Guys, just clear? Okay. Now I'll show you some questions of UPSC. ठीक है. Now I'll show you some questions of UPSC. आप एक बार देख लीजिए. Yes. Everyone done? Huh? Yes. All right. उसको गले में क्यों नहीं पहन लेते हो? Alright, guys, एक बार देखिए जरा. Just take out your books, all of you. Take out your books, all of you. Take out your books. Come to page number 199. Page number 199. Okay. Page number 199. All right. See, all of you. Page number 199. Question number 6. And this was the question from CSAT 2015. आपको एक टेबल दिख रहा होगा. हाँ? Can you tell me the values? बोल दिए जरा जल्दी से. अरे टेबल की वैल्यू बोल दो यार.
Price is 40, 50, 60,
40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Yes.
75.
अच्छा इसका बताइए, इसका बताइए.
Consumption
60, 48,
60, 48,
40, 32.
40, 32,
Yes. Over it's 75.
75. Oh, I'm sorry. 75. This is 32, and this is the question mark, right? Everyone, यही है ना? Right? Okay. So this row is talking about the price of petrol or whatever, and this is the consumption, right? Everybody, यही है ना? बोले यही है ना? आपको पता है भाई, guys, कि जो ये जो questions होते हैं compensation वाले, इनमें मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में, बल्कि आपको 99% केसेस में ऐसा मिलेगा कि वेयर द एक्सपेंडिचर रिमेन्स सेम, राइट? एक्सपेंडिचर रिमेन्स सेम. सो गाइस, हियर व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंडिचर? बोलिए. 60 into 40, right? What is this? 2400. Here what is the expenditure? 2400. Here what is the expenditure? 2400. Guys, this is 3/4, right? So just find the 3/4 of this, 24. Are you getting it? Like if you see 75, just consider this as 3/4. Getting it? Right? Okay. So guys, everywhere this is 2400, 24. So I mean 80 should be multiplied with something. That will give you 2400. So what should be multiplied? 30. 30 is the answer. Guys, getting it? Everyone fine now? Okay. So this was the question of UPSC, right? So just by looking at the table, you can tell the answer, right? There is no need to write anything. There is no need to like solve anything. Just 8 into 3 is for 24. This is the answer.
Means ऐसे क्वेश्चन में पहले ऐसे ही multiply
ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में जो आपका जो फाइनल एक्सपेंडिचर होगा वो सेम होगा, राइट? यस, एवरीवन फाइन नाउ, शैल वी मूव? ठीक है. एंड देखिए, आप इसको एक तरीके से और भी सोच सकते थे, लाइक देखिए इधर देखिए, this value is increasing by 1/4, so this should be reducing by 1/5. ये हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? देखिए, it is increasing by 1/4, it is reducing by 1/5. Now it is increasing by 1/5, so this should be reducing by 1/6. Now it is increasing by 1/4. हो रहा है कि नहीं? 1/4 हो रहा है ना? ये 1/4 of this will be 15. 15 is increasing, right? So it should be decreased by 1/5. Correct? Now guys, this is increasing by 1/15. So this must be reducing by 1/16. Right? Just look at this. So you can do like this also, but it's not needed. 2400 would be the easier approach. But you should be knowing it. Right?
It's more a data sufficiency.
Exactly, exactly. Right? It's an interpretation kind of thing actually. Yes, everyone fine now? Shall we move to the next question? Guys, question number 2 के बाद you just come to question number 18. अच्छा, question number, guys, question number 5 देखिए जरा एक बार. Can you tell me the answer of question number 5 just by looking at the question? पूरे पेज की फोटो ले लो यार. ये बार बार तुमको वैशाली की तरफ देखना पड़ेगा नहीं तो फिर. Yes. See guys. Question number 5. Just by looking at the question, can you tell me the answer? What this question is trying to ask you, everybody? What this question is trying to ask you? पहले मुझे बताइए. बोलिए. Question number 5. Actually क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है? If 60% is equal to 18, then 100% is equal to what? बस ये question है. Right? Everybody? I repeat. हटाऊं इसे? Question number 5. This is trying to say if 60% is equal to 18, then 100% is equal to what? See, everyone, 6 3s are 18, right? आप एक 0 ignore कर दीजिए थोड़ी देर के लिए. 6 3s are 18. So if you ignore a 0 here, you just ignore 0 here also. So 10 3s are what? 30 is the answer. Right? Getting it, everyone? Right? So just by looking at the question, I mean, you should be able to understand the question. You should be able to comprehend the question. What is this question is trying to ask? Right? Solution is simple, not a problem. Provided you should be able to comprehend the question first. ठीक है ना? All of you? Okay. Now, question number 5 के बाद, guys, just come to question number 18. Everyone, just by looking at the question, can you tell me the answer? Question number 18. क्या लिखा हुआ है? पहले मुझे कॉम्प्रिहेंड करके बताइए जरा क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है. 80% is equal to 12. 100% is equal to what? कितना? 15. Yes. Everyone, this question is trying to tell you 80% is equal to 12, then 100% is equal to what? Right? So 80 and 100, what is the relation? 80% is equal to 12, 100% is equal to what? Right? This is 4:5. So try to maintain 4:5 here also. So 3 into 4, so 3 into 5 would be 15. Guys, it is clear? Right? Everybody fine? Okay. Any doubt, friends? Vaishali, what happened? It's clear? Okay. Yes. Okay. Shall we move? हाँ? ठीक है. इसके बाद देखिए जरा. Question number 19. Guys, question number 19. 19. Question number 19. 19. पहले मुझे बताइए फाइनल वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए? Yes, everyone. Question is, Raju has 9,000 with him, wants to buy a mobile handset. He finds that he has only 75% amount required to buy the handset. Yes, it should be 12,000. Right? Guys, he is, I mean, कितना कम है उसके पास? 3,000. उसको 3,000 रुपीज और चाहिए, right? उसने क्या किया है? उसने 2,000 बोरो किया है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अभी भी सफिशिएंट अमाउंट नहीं है उसके पास. राइट? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देखिए. राइट? इज इट क्लियर? हाँ? राइट? एक्चुअली होना ये चाहिए कि उसको 3,000 बोरो करना चाहिए था अगर उसको मोबाइल हैंडसेट लेना है, या मोर देन 3,000. राइट? कि कुछ पैसे की पार्टी भी कर सके हो. राइट? भाई मोबाइल खरीदा है तो पार्टी भी तो देगा ना यार. रिचार्ज कराएगा जो भी करेगा. एनीवेज, सो ठीक है गाइस, इट इज क्लियर नाउ. हाँ, ऑलराइट. अच्छा, अगेन गाइस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. देखिए, ये क्वेश्चन आपको देखने में प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस जैसी फीलिंग देगा. जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. इट विल जस्ट गिव यू द फील ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस टॉपिक. राइट? दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिस्काउंट और समथिंग. Question number 21. Just read the question. Right? And don't solve it. Don't do anything. Just think about it and tell me the answer. 20%? Okay. Everyone, who will explain me the question? 25? Okay. Who will explain me the question? Again, मुझे आंसर से कोई मतलब नहीं. Who will, Vaishali, will you explain the question? हाँ, बताइए.
He wanted to buy 8 mobile handsets.
Okay.
But because the shopkeeper gave him some discount, he could buy 2 more.
ठीक है. Okay, then what's the question? Discount percentage, right? This is the question. See everyone, आप सिचुएशन अज्यूम करिए कि आप अपने पॉकेट में कुछ रुपीस लेकर के निकले मार्केट में एंड यू हैव एक्सपेक्टेड 8 मोबाइल फोन फॉर दैट अमाउंट, राइट? बट शॉपकीपर सेड कि सर न्यू ईयर इज कमिंग और क्रिसमस इज कमिंग, सम डिस्काउंट ऑफर इज देयर, राइट? सो आई एम ऑफरिंग सम डिस्काउंट टू यू. अब आप इतने ही पैसे में 2 मोबाइल और ले जा पाएंगे, राइट? पहले उसको 8 मिलने की उम्मीद थी, नाउ ही इज गेटिंग 10, राइट? So question is, what is the discount percentage that the shopkeeper offered? Correct everybody, this is the question. Now just tell me friends कि आप इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे अप्रोच करेंगे, उसके जेब में कितना रुपया होना चाहिए, ये कैसे कैलकुलेट किया जाए, कैसे?
मतलब 8 मोबाइल हैंडसेट है तो सब अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि मतलब 8,000.
उसके जेब में कितना पैसा है ये कैसे डिसाइड होगा? नहीं, अज्यूम करना चाहिए, ये बात सही है, लेकिन अजम्पशन का बेसिस क्या है?
100 rupees से 800,000.
हैंडसेट मोबाइल सर वो परसेंटेज ऑफ डिस्काउंट है.
अरे रुको, यस, हाँ आप कुछ कह रहे हैं, बताइए फिर से बोलिए. नहीं, नथिंग, ओके. फ्रेंड्स देखिए, एक बात समझिए, उसकी जेब में तो फिक्स्ड अमाउंट है, राइट? आप समझिए बात को, उसकी जेब में तो फिक्स्ड अमाउंट है, उतने से ही 8 और उतने से ही 10. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि वो जो अमाउंट है उसके पॉकेट में वो 8 का भी मल्टीपल है और वो 10 का भी मल्टीपल है. समझिए इस बात को. तो इट मस्ट बी, अगर आपको लीस्ट अमाउंट अज्यूम करना है तो इट शुड बी द लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 8 एंड 4, राइट? वो 8 रुपीज, आई मीन 8 फोन अज्यूम करके घर से निकला था, उसको मिल गया 10. तो अब अगर 8 फोन अज्यूम करके चला था वो घर से, तो इसका मतलब 5 रुपए का एक फोन रहा होगा जो उसका अजम्पशन था या जो उसको पता था, जो उसके पास इंफॉर्मेशन थी. लेकिन मार्केट जाते ही क्या हुआ कि उसको 4 रुपए का एक फोन अवेलेबल हो गया, राइट? तो इनिशियल एसपी जो उसने, एसपी कह लीजिए, एमआरपी कह लीजिए, जो भी कह लीजिए, वो 5, बट उसको जो एसपी था वो 4 का ही पड़ रहा था. इसका मतलब कितना डिस्काउंट मिला उसको? 1 रुपी आउट ऑफ 5, 1/5 विच इज 20%. गाइज इट इज क्लियर और नॉट? ओह, देखिए मुझे ये बताइए, एक बात सोच के देखिए भाई, आपकी जेब में तो पैसे फिक्स्ड हैं जो भी है, राइट? या थोड़ी देर के लिए इसको भी छोड़ दो, मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल देता हूं. एक लिफ्ट है गाइस, ठीक है एवरीवन, एक लिफ्ट है. लिफ्ट की एक कैरिंग कैपेसिटी होती है, लेट्स से 800 kg, 600 kg, राइट? ऐसा कुछ लिखा रहता है ना उसमें, ठीक? तो मान लीजिए मैं आपसे कहता हूं कि एक लिफ्ट है विच कैन कैरी 10 adults और 15 children, ठीक? Right? I'm saying a lift can carry 10 adults, either 10 adults or 15 children, right? So what should be the weight, I mean what should be the carrying capacity of the lift? ठीक? So your answer would be what? Your answer would be the carrying capacity of the lift will be the multiple of 30. Why? Because here the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30 kg. आप अज्यूम कर लीजिए कि लिफ्ट की कैरिंग कैपेसिटी 30 kg है थोड़ी देर के लिए. 10 एडल्ट्स का वेट 30 kg है, तो पर एडल्ट, आई मीन 1 एडल्ट 3 kg का होगा, और 15 चिल्ड्रन का वेट अगर 30 kg है तो एक चाइल्ड 2 kg का होगा. एवरीबडी गेटिंग इट और नॉट? आप इस चीज को सोचिए जरा कि 10 एडल्ट्स का कुछ वेट है, अगर मैं इनका एवरेज वेट लेट्स से मैं अज्यूम कर लेता हूँ कुछ भी, लेट्स से 45 kg में मान लेता हूँ, या 45 का 60 kg मान लेता हूँ. एक एडल्ट का एवरेज वेट अगर आप 60 kg मानेंगे तो ये 600 kg हो जाना चाहिए, राइट? और एक चाइल्ड, आई मीन 15 चिल्ड्रन का एवरेज वेट अगर आप 40 kg मानेंगे तो भी ये 600 हो जाना चाहिए, राइट? मैं आपको बता दूं, जो भी नंबर यहां निकल के आएगा वो नंबर 30 का मल्टीपल ही होगा, राइट? गेटिंग दिस एवरीबॉडी? सिमिलरली भाई आपके पॉकेट में तो जो रुपए हैं वो फिक्स्ड है ना, उससे ही ये भी मिल रहा है और उससे ही ये भी मिल रहा है, तो इसका मतलब ये जो नंबर है ना यहाँ पे, ये इसका भी मल्टीपल होगा और इसका भी मल्टीपल होगा, राइट? सो दिस विल बी द मल्टीपल ऑफ दिस एंड दिस एज वेल. सो इट शुड बी द लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल आप ले लो सबसे अच्छा फॉर द ईज ऑफ द कैलकुलेशन. गेटिंग इट एवरीवन नाउ? राइट? सो जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ओके, all right. clear everyone? हाँ चलिए next question. Next question is question number, all of you, question number 25. देखिए, till now what we have solved the reduction and they have asked about hike. Question number 25, page number 201. Sorry. Page number 201, question number 25. This question was asked in CSAT 2020. Right. Guys, CSAT 2020. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना है, you just think about it and try to tell me the answer. Yes, everybody. You just have to think about it and try to tell me the answer. Guys, no one will write anything. You just have to tell me the answer like this only. Yes, all of you. Huh? 40 rupees? Okay. Guys, I'm getting one answer as 40 rupees. Can you confirm the answer? How? Ayan, what's the answer? Still trying? Okay. Pandey, what's the answer?
Trying.
Huh? Trying? Okay. See, all of you, just tell me one thing. मुझे एक बात बताइए, इधर देखिए. मुझे ये बताइए कि if alright, if the price is increased by what? The price is increased by 25%. Everyone, 25% means 1/4, right? Okay, so 1200 rupees are there in his pocket. Fine. 1/4 of this is increased now. 1/4 of this will be what? 300. Guys, actually the article that was available for rupees 1200 is now available for 1500 rupees. Right? But still if he is paying rupees 1200, he is paying rupees 300 less. And for that 300 rupees less, he is getting 6 kgs less. So today's price is 6 kg are available for rupees 300, so 1 kg is available for rupees 50, right? So today's price is 50 rupees per kg. I mean the hiked price or the increased price is 50 rupees per kg. Everybody, yes or no? The increased price is 50 rupees per kg. The question is, what was the original price, right? Guys, if it is 100%, original was 100, so increased will be 125. 125 is 50. Guys, this is 4:5, right? So try to maintain 4:5, you will get 40 here. Everybody, it is clear? Right? Guys, it is fine? Okay. All right. Yes, everyone. Friends, fine now? Done? Right? So this was the question in UPSC CSAT 2020. Done? Okay. Shall I move to the next question, guys? Everyone? Shall I move to the next question? Huh? So guys, just come to question number 29. Can you tell me the direct answer for looking at the question, just by looking at the question? Question number 29. Yes, everyone. Question number 29. Can you tell me the answer just by looking at the question? I mean, 29. Which option? A. 0% change. Yes. Yes. देखिए guys, question is saying what? 100 is reduced by 20. So this will become 80. Now this 80 is increased by 25%. 25 means 1/4. 1/4 of this will be 20. So if this is increased by 20, this will become 100 again. So no change. right? 0% net change. Question number 30. Question number 30. Yes. Question number 30 is just an extension of this question. Right? तो पहले तो जितना वहां है उतना हो गया, उसके बाद 10% और हो गया. The answer is 10%. Guys, it is clear? Right? Now everybody, question number 36. Question number 36, CSAT 2024. Yes everyone, CSAT 2024, question number 36. क्या लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन में? A number is mistakenly divided by 4 instead of multiplying by 4. What is the percentage change in the result due to this mistake? एक नंबर है जिसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो स्टूडेंट है उसने डिवाइड कर दिया. ठीक है, मुझे ये बताइए गाइस, हाउ टू अप्रोच दिस क्वेश्चन. एवरीवन इधर देखिए जरा, हाउ टू अप्रोच दिस क्वेश्चन. कैसे स्टार्ट कैसे करेंगे? हाँ, विल टेक अ रैंडम नंबर. रैंडम नंबर आप क्या अज्यूम कर सकते हैं? जो सबसे रैंडम नंबर है वो यहाँ पे 4 है. आई मीन सबसे जो इजी नंबर है वो 4 है. आप अज्यूम कर लो नंबर 4 है. 4 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था तो एक्चुअल रिजल्ट 16 होना चाहिए था, बट उसने कर दिया डिवाइड, तो रिजल्ट आ गया 1. अब वही कह रहे हैं कितनी एरर है, कितने परसेंट एरर है, तो 16 होना चाहिए था, वो हो गया 1. तो व्हाट परसेंटेज एरर इज दिस? दिस इज एक्चुअली 15/16 गाइस, राइट? सो 15/16 इंटू 100. तो देखिए 100 में से आप 6.25 लेस कर दीजिए बस, 93.75. आई रिपीट, 100 minus 6.25. Right? Why? Because this is 1 minus 1/16. Okay?
15/16 कैसे है?
हाँ सर.
Okay. Number should have been 16 because 4 was the number. 4 was the original number. It should be multiplied with 4 according to the question. Right? But what student did? Instead of dividing, instead of multiplying, he divided it by 4. So it became 1. Right? So question is saying what is the percentage error in the answer? So the answer should have been 16, but he is getting the answer as 1. So the answer is actually 15 less than with respect to 16. Right? So 15 is what percentage of 16? This is the question. Right everybody? 15 is what percentage of 16? This is the question. जी.
Sir, I use that number as 12.
हाँ ठीक है,
But sir, the
तो भी आपका 15/16 ही आएगा लास्ट में.
मैंने 40 assume किया फिर भी आंसर आया.
13/16 आ रहा है.
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? देखिए आपने 12 एज्यूम किया है. देखिए एन क्या होगा, आपने 12 अगर एज्यूम किया तो इसका 3 टाइम्स एज्यूम किया आपने, तो एवरीथिंग विल बिकम द मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. देख लीजिए 12 एज्यूम किया, इट शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय 4, तो आइडियली इट विल बिकम 3, राइट? बट इट वॉज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4, तो इट विल बिकम 48. देखिए ये थ्राइस है, ये थ्राइस है, ये भी थ्राइस है, राइट? कुछ कैलकुलेशन एरर हो गया था. ओके कोई बात नहीं. यस एवरीवन, एनी अदर डाउट? हाँ,
तो मैंने 40 assume किया.
40.
40.
तो अगर आप 40 अज्यूम करेंगे तो सब कुछ 10 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. देखिए आपने 10 टाइम्स अज्यूम
390/400. 390/400.
नहीं देखिए ना, 40 अज्यूम किया, अब आप इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, ये हो गया 160, राइट? ये इसका 10 टाइम्स हो गया, इसको आप 4 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए, ये हो गया 10. ठीक, तो ये तो सीधे इसका 10 टाइम्स मतलब 15/16 आपका फिर से आ जाएगा. आप कुछ भी अज्यूम करेंगे वो इसी के मल्टीपल में चलेगा, क्योंकि व्हाट वी हैव अज्यूम्ड इज वी हैव अज्यूम्ड द लीस्ट वैल्यू व्हिच वी कुड अज्यूम, दैट इज 4. 4 से छोटा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता इस क्वेश्चन में. अब आप कुछ भी अज्यूम करोगे वो उसके मल्टीपल में चलेगा, राइट? बट आंसर चेंज नहीं होगा गाइस, बिकॉज आंसर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द परसेंटेज, राइट? सो ऑब्वियसली वो रेशियो में ही जाएगा. फ्रेंड्स, एनी अदर डाउट? नो? Anyone else? Any other confusion? Any query? No? Guys, this was UPSC CSAT 2024 question. Now question number 37, 2024 question. पहले मुझे बताइए इसको स्टार्ट कैसे करेंगे. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, जब भी आप कोई स्टेप लें, कोई एक्शन लेते हैं, तो आप सबसे पहले ये सोचते हैं इसको शुरू कैसे करेंगे. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, फिर क्या करेंगे, फिर क्या करेंगे. तो ये आर को अज्यूम करेंगे. अच्छा ठीक है एवरीवन, क्या आर अज्यूम किया जाएगा? गाइस पहले ये बताइए कि क्या करेंगे. और उसके बाद क्वेश्चन शुरू करिएगा। हाँ बताइए। क्वेश्चन इज CSAT 2024 37। हाँ पेज नंबर क्या है? 202। ठीक है। सी क्या लिखा हुआ है आप बताइए जरा, डेटा बताइए मुझे, डेटा बताइए। यस हाँ बोलिए एम।
So data or I'll tell the how to do.
डेटा बताइए पहले।
अच्छा C articles PQ and R for 3000.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।
And P cost 25% more than R.
P cost 25% more than R, okay?
And R cost 20% more than Q.
Okay. Guys, देखिए क्वेश्चन को जो एक सांस में पढ़ रहे हैं ना आप लोग, उससे कुछ नहीं होगा। मुझे ये बताइए कि हाउ टू स्टार्ट विथ, आई मीन कौन सी वैल्यू को आप अज्यूम करेंगे? P को, Q को, R को? आप अज्यूम करेंगे Q को। यस यस वैशाली, आई एम द ओनली सपोर्टर ऑफ योर, यू नो। देखिए एवरीवन, इधर देखिए, this is 100, this value is 20% more than this, right? So this will become 120 and this value is 25, 1/4 of this, I mean this value will be 1/4 increase with this. This is 25% more than this, right? So this is 1/4 more than this will become 150, right? अब देखिए, everybody got the question clearly एकदम? Now your sum is coming as what? बताइए जरा। 370, हाँ 370, huh? Question is saying what? You are getting 370. Question is saying what? 3330. See everyone, मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ। 37 into 3, ये हमेशा याद रखिएगा। 37 into 3 is 111. ये वैल्यू याद रखिएगा, ठीक है? 37 into 3 is 111. So 37 into 3 is 111. It means this is 37 into 3 into 3. So this is 37 into 9. ठीक है? So it means what you have assumed is 1/9th time of the actual question data, right? Question is saying what? What is piece think, right? So this will be multiplied with 9. So this is 1350. 1350 है कोई option?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। Guys, are you getting it? Friends, मुझे बताइए, कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो बताइए, कोई डाउट है तो बताइए। All of you, it's clear? देखिए फ्रेंड्स, मैं बार बार आपसे यही कह रहा हूँ कि आप सिर्फ ये सोचा करिए कि हम इस क्वेश्चन को शुरू कैसे करें, बस, राइट? क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा, इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। आप पहला स्टेप सही लीजिए, आप सही जगह पहुंचेंगे, राइट? नहीं तो फिर यही होता रहेगा कि आप पहले ये गली ले लेंगे, फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, फिर उस गली चले जाएंगे, वहाँ कुत्ता मिल जाएगा, फिर आप इधर भाग जाएंगे, राइट? यही होता रह जाएगा, राइट? ठीक है, ओके। यस, एक और कर लें। 35 2024 का सवाल है, राइट? चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 35। गाइस, पहले मुझे बताइए किसको क्या अज्यूम करेंगे, कहां से शुरू करेंगे? यस, फ्रॉम वेयर लाइक टू स्टार्ट विथ? यस सर।
सैलरी 100 मान लेते हैं।
ओके,
देन Q की सैलरी 80 हो जाएगी।
ओके,
और P की सैलरी 60 हो जाएगी।
60 हो जाएगी?
नहीं मतलब 80 का 20%।
अच्छा, कितना हो जाएगा बताइए? अभी सक्सेसिव चेंज हम लोग पढ़ के आए हैं, राइट? हाँ, तो बताइए।
हो जाएगी 65।
अच्छा, 64 हो जाएगी। 16 लेस होगा ना। गाइस देखिए, क्वेश्चन बताइए क्या लिखा है, डेटा बताइए। यस, PQR क्या लिखा हुआ है?
P is 20% lower than Q.
P is 20% more than Q.
Lower.
Lower. Okay, and
And 20% lower than R.
Q is 20% lower than R, right? So just assume this as 100. So this is 20% lower than this. This will be 80. And this is 20% lower than this. So 20% of this is 16. So this should be 64, right? Now the question is what? Question is, अब क्या लिखा हुआ है?
R salary more than P salary.
Okay. R's salary is what percent more than P's salary, right? यही लिखा हुआ है। और एक मिनट रुक जाइए। Question is by how much percent R's salary is more than P's salary, guys? Base is this, right? So question is this value is what percent more than this value, right? So guys, here 36 divided by 64 into 100. ठीक है, this is what 4 से divide कर सकते हैं दोनों number. So 9 by 16. This is 6.25. 9 6 are 54 and 2.25. So 54 plus 2.25 is 56.25. Guys, this is the answer. Okay? Everybody clear? Any doubt, friends?
Sir,
Ji.
I get confused while taking the base, sir.
Question is what? Question is saying then P's salary, the last point.
The last one?
हाँ, तो ये जो वैल्यू है ना, इसके रिस्पेक्ट में ये वैल्यू इससे कितने परसेंट ज़्यादा है, ये आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. आई मीन 100 इज व्हाट परसेंटेज मोर देन 64, राइट? यस गाइस, फ्रेंड्स, एनी अदर डाउट, एनी अदर कंफ्यूजन? नो, राइट? ओके, सो ठीक है, आज हम लोग इतना ही रखेंगे. फाइन, एंड लेट्स मीट टुमारो. आई ट्राई टू वाइंड अप दिस टॉपिक. खत्म हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Okay everyone, so that's all for today. Let's meet tomorrow at 10:30, guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you friends. Yep.